Good day, everyone. I am Dale Sarmiento, and on behalf of our group, I would like to present our project entitled Gadget Store. Our group is Group 5, and the members are Karel Mangiam, Jake Mendoza, Justin Aldabe, Monica Bangkirigan, and Angela Dolosa. The Gadget Store project is a system developed to provide an organized and efficient way of managing and purchasing gadgets. This system aims to address common problems in traditional gadget store, such as manual product recording, difficulty in tracking available items, and time-consuming transactions. Through this system, store owners can easily manage gadget information, while customers can conveniently view available products and their details. Overall, this project is designed to improve efficiency, accuracy, and convenience in gadget store operations. Thank you.
Gadget Store System Overview. The Gadget Store System is a management solution designed to streamline operations, improve customer satisfaction, and boost sales for gadgets retailers. The Gadget Store System is like a one stop shop for all things gadgets. It's a management system designed to help store owners manage their gadgets' inventory, sales, and customer interactions. Objectives. The system objective is to provide a centralized platform for managing inventory, sales, and customer interactions, enabling store owners to make informed decisions and enhance business performance. Main features: inventory management, track stock levels, monitor product details, and set alerts for low stock. Sales management, process transactions, generate receipts, and track sales history. Customer management, store customers' info, track purchase history, and loyalty programs. Reporting, generate sales report, inventory reports, and customer reports. A real world application, the system helps gadget store owners in the Philippines manage their business efficiently, providing benefits like reduce inventory errors, improve customer service, increase sales, better decision making. The system can also help you identify best selling products and optimize your inventory accordingly. Plus, you can use the customer management feature to send target promotions and loyalty rewards to your customers.
Hello everyone, my name is Matthew Cedric Masakayan and I'm about to discuss about the system overview. Ang system ay isang database-driven application na ginawa gamit ang C++ at MySQL na layong mag-manage ng customers, products, orders, at order items para sa isang gadget store o e-commerce environment. Ang pangunahing features nito ay ang CRUD operations or tinatawag na create, read, update, and delete para sa lahat ng tables. Ang mga users ng system ay maaaring admin o staff na nagmamanage ng store records. At sa real-world application, ito ay ginagamit sa mga retail o online shops para mas madaling matrack ang customers, products at orders. Ang system ay modular at user-friendly kaya madaling i-maintain at i-expand kung kailangan ng dagdag na features. Ngayon ay dadako naman tayo sa system objectives. Layunin ng system na magkaroon ng organized at centralized database para sa lahat ng information ng customers, products, orders at order items. Layunin din itong magbigay ng efficient na paraan ng pag-manage ng record sa pamamagitan ng CRUD operations at relational database design. Sa kabuuan, layunin ng system na gawing mas mabilis, mas accurate, at mas reliable ang proseso ng store management. Ngayon ay dadako naman tayo sa expected outcomes. Inaasahan na ang system ay magbibigay ng mas maayos na daloy ng data mula sa customers hanggang sa orders at products. Inaasahan din na mababawasan ang manual errors dahil automated na ang pag-store at pag-retrieve ng records. Magiging mas mabilis ang transaction processing dahil may malinaw na relasyon ang bawat table at madaling makuha ang data gamit ang queries. Sa huli, inaasahan na ang system ay makatutulong sa pagpapahusay ng productivity at efficiency ng store operations.
Take 5. Ang system ay nakabatay sa 3-theater architecture presentation layer para sa user interface application layer, gamit ang C++ para sa business logic, at database layer gamit ang MySQL para sa storage. Modular design kaya may hiwalay na classes para sa customers, orders, order items at product. Relational ang database design kaya malinaw ang relasyon ng customers, orders at order items at products. Sa kabuuan, user-friendly ang front-end, efficient ang back-end gamit ang C++, at consistent ang database gamit ang MySQL. Charot!
My name is Monica El Banquerigan. Ang tatalakayin ko po ngayon ay database. Sa aming database design, nandito ang customer table na naglalaman ng lahat ng info tungkol sa customer, tulad ng name, email, phone at address, at yung date kung kailan sila nag-register. Order table naman ay nagre-record ng bawat order na ginagawa ng customer, kasama ang order date, total amount, status at shipping address. Nandito naman yung details ng bawat item sa isang order, gaya ng quantity at unit price ng product. Ang product table ay listahan ng lahat ng product kasama ng product name, description, price, category, stock, quality, at image path. Relationship ng customer at order ay one-to-many, meaning isang customer pwede magkaroon ng maraming orders. Ang relationship ng order at order items ay one-to-many din. Isang order pwedeng maraming items. Relationship ng product o order items ay one-to-many. Isang product pwedeng lumabas sa maraming order items.
Hello po, I'm Angela Dolosa para naman po sa aming system demonstration. So, ayun, kung makikita nyo dito sa ating dashboard, meron ditong products, customers, orders, at new order. Dito sa new order, nandyan yung customer name, product, quantity, yan, tapos mag-add to order ka, tapos, yan, kailangan ng shipping address. Save order. Okay. Yan, nakasave na siya dito sa orders. Yan yung pangalan niya, order date, amount. Yan. Ito yung details, yung item na in-order niya. Tapos, dito naman sa customers, ito yung mga may record na, kumbaga nakapag-order na sila dati. Yan, pwedeng mag-add customer. And last name, email, save. Yan, nandiyan na siya, nakasave na siya sa customers. Dito pwede din tayong edit at delete. So ngayon itry natin si Maria Santos. I-edit natin siya. And edit natin ang kanyang last name. Save. Yan. Na-edit na siya. Tapos try naman natin mag-delete. Try natin si Ana Reyes. Yun. Kung may order siya, syempre parang pagka-cancel na din yun kasi wala na yung record niya. dito naman sa products. Ito yung mga products naman na available sa shop. Nandun yung category, nandun yung price, yung stock quantity, kung ilan ang meron sa shop, kung ilan ang available. Pwede din mag-add, edit, at delete. Yan. So, close. Yun lang, meron sa system natin sa ngayon. Dito naman tayo sa database. Ayan, ito ina-open ko na kanina. I-refresh lang natin yung mga customers. Yan. Yan, kung makikita nyo, nag-update dito yung sinave natin kanina sa website. Nandiyan si Jean Perez, nag-update si Maria, and wala na si Ana. So, dun, kita nyo naman nung nag-work yung website, connected talaga siya dito sa database. Ito yung order kanina na ginawa natin. Tapos ito yung product. Yan. Yan din yung nakalagay doon kanina. Yan. Pwede din kayo ditong mag-edit. O alter. Ganun. Tapos dito, ito yung nabanggit na kanina ni Miss Monica. Yung sa ER diagram. Dito nakalagay yung pinapakita kung ano yung laman ng table, yung mga foreign key, primary key, 1:many, ganun. So, yun lang. Happy lang kasi na discuss naman yun ni Miss Monica kanina. Yun lang. Thank you.
In conclusion, our group successfully developed a gadget ordering store system na tumutulong para gawing mas maayos, mabilis at organized ang proseso pag-manage ng gadget orders. Ang system ay nagbibigay daan sa admin na mag-manage ng product, makita ang details at price, mag-handle ng orders at i-monitor ang overall transaction record in store. During the development, nakaranas kami ng challenge tulad ng hindi technical na pag-process, pag-ayos ng system errors at time manage. May mga feature na hindi agad gumagana pero nasusolve namin through research and testing teamwork. For future improvement, plano naming magdagdag ng user account para sa staff online payment record or tracking at notification feature para sa mapadali ang monitoring order. Gusto namin ma-improve ang design at magdagdag ng search filter feature para sa mag-user friendly and system para sa admin. Overall, ipinakita ng project namin na ang admin-based digital ordering system ay malaking tulong sa pagpapahusay ng store manage, order monitoring, at operational efficiency.